Hey, what's up guys, it's George, and in this video I want to talk about how to repair your dopamine receptors. Essentially, how to get more of those feel-good feelings and enjoyment out of life. Because that's, really what we're after. When you smoke something, drink something, whatever, what you're after is the feeling. You're after the sensation, all that is a sensation that comes from your brain releasing a cocktail of different neurochemicals, and dopamine being the favorite of druggies. And what happens over time through repeated overstimulation of the dopamine activity is that the dopamine receptors get damaged, and so your brain has a harder and harder time being able to receive as much dopamine. And because of it, the activities and experiences that one time brought you a lot of joy, well, no longer do. The novelty is worn off, and no longer, and before you know it, maybe you've been drinking, smoking, whatever for a long period of time, and before you know it, it's just like you can't find joy out of anything in life, even including your favorite hobby, picking up weed, smoking it. Even after a while of just constant repeated use, even that wears off its novelty after years and decades of regular use. And so I've been studying a lot into neurochemistry and about brain chemicals and addiction withdrawal, and it's very fascinating because there is, some people are worried that, once they've damaged their dopamine receptors, that it's too late, but that's not the truth. And across the board, from all the different studies and lectures and things that I've listened to, the number one most powerful way to repair your dopamine system, your dopamine receptors, and essentially just repair your dopamine system, so that way you're able to receive more dopamine and get more of those feel-good chemicals and enjoyment out of life. The number one way across the board: exercise. Interestingly. And I just keep seeing that over and over again. There's other ways as well, but that's the number one way. So if you're trying to get off smoking weed and you're trying to change your life, then you gotta make exercise a part of your daily regimen. And if you're someone that smokes weed on a regular basis and you already do exercise, then start exercising twice every single day, once in the morning and at night. Doesn't mean you have to do that forever, but at least do this for a month, a couple of months, at morning and at night. So that way, not for the physical performance, don't worry about recovery time, whatever. We're talking about dopamine. We're trying to get you happy. We're trying to be able to get you so that you can get more of those feel-good sensations. Exercise in the morning and at night. And that way you're gonna be working at repairing your dopamine system, your dopamine receptors. You're gonna you're gonna teach yourself how to get high from the mundane task, and you're gonna start to experience new sensations such as serotonin and other neurochemicals that maybe you suppressed and ignored for a while, but through the sense of accomplishment and feeling proud of yourself, that releases new sets of neurochemicals such as serotonin. And so guys, exercise. I could talk about a whole other bunch of recommendations, and I'll go into those, share about those as well in another video. But for this one, guys, I know I may sound like a broken record, but I say this so many times, but if you're trying to change your life, you're trying to put down good old Mary Jane, then start exercising every single day, and then exercise, if you can, even twice a day. Doesn't mean you have to go hardcore. Even just a quick workout in the morning, even just a 1 mile run in the morning and a 1 mile run at night make a world of a difference. And you're gonna start to feel so much happier, and it's gonna improve your life. So, hope you're all having a great day. Let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.